In the middle of the night, the grandson couldn't sleep because of the terrible rain. To make the grandson fall asleep, he tells a story about rain and sugar. Back in time, in the 180s, there went a horrible rain pouring to the earth with unstoppable thunders. And there was a girl who sat alone in the corner of the shelters, wishing the rain would over soon. The girl didn't bring her umbrella. She didn't know the rain would have come this hard. In another point of view, there was a boy who stared at her. A boy had done nothing but looking at her secretly, until the girl realized that there was someone else there. She smiled at him and started a little conversation. Until the rain stopped. They enjoyed the conversation, but sadly, they needed to say goodbye. The girl was gone and the boy realized something. Yes, he fell in love. Once in the morning, the path wasn't so clear because of the rain last night. A boy was busy helping his father on the market. They sold sugar. In the middle of his rush, there came a beautiful voice asked for 5 boxes of sugar. The boy got shocked when he realized it was the girl from the shelters. So was the girl. They both looked happy. They couldn't hide it. After the second match, the boy decided to make a move. He asked the girl to go out. Guess what? The girl said yes before she was going with her mother. Park was always a good choice for the first date, wasn't it? The deal was the girl brought the tea and the boy brought the sugar. Had some tea. The beautiful afternoon was the best feeling ever. They talked about everything. They had so many dreams together. One of them was to go around the world. The girl was always asking, and the boy answered randomly, which made she laugh. The only question he couldn't answer was, did he love her? He knew the position where apple and orange juices didn't make any sense. Accordingly, he convinced himself to talk to her parents. A beautiful gown with a big hat was worn by her mother. A long and elegant coat looked fit on her father. The parents was as fancy as same as their daughter. But took a look at the boy. A simple slum wear and a trouser? Wasn't it obvious they couldn't accept him for their daughter? I don't know what love is, sir, until I met your lovely daughter, and bewitched by her smile and attracted on how she thought. Please, sir, wealth may be waiting, but not with love. Pop! The father slapped him on the face and chased him away roughly. Thought the boy didn't have any pride. Shame on him. Papa, please don't take him away. I love him so much, Papa. Papa, please, we had so many dreams together. The girl was doing nothing but crying sorrowfully. On the following day, there was pouring, and the boy sat alone in the corner of the shelters. He felt the same as the crying rain until he realized that there was someone else there. She came to him with 3 words, which I love you. 3 words that had so much meaning for him. It's just they met when the rain was pouring, and so that their farewell came. In the end, they decided to start a new life and live together. And he remembered her as the love of his life, rain, and sugar. That was the end of the story. Thank you.